Hey family, hey family, hey family. So I'm out here trying to make sure the greenhouse is secured. Try to wrap my flower beds up the best I can. Uh, what else? Look how y'all can't see how windy it is, but they say it's a tornado finna hit Texas, and you know that's close by me. Got to get the panels down. So you guys make sure you stay safe. Get out and get you some gas. Get your gas filled up in your cars and your generators and your gas jugs. Let me go and try to do what I can. It's been windy, real windy the last couple of days. But they saying in Texas right now it's moving right on in. So y'all see all this stuff flying across the screen? Woo! Can y'all hear that wind? It's blowing on in. So we're going to get on out here and try to secure our stuff the best way we can get it secured. And what's so crazy is they ain't posted shit on no news. We ain't got no alert yet. They really ain't posting nothing on the news, really, to be honest with y'all. There's a lot of stuff that's going on that people are posting, that they recording or found recordings of, that the news is not covering. It's a lot going on out here, so y'all make sure y'all stay safe. Let me go and get to work right quick. It's like 11 o'clock at night. So we finally got the beds covered up. It's not so much as water getting in. It's about everything that could blow and get in and excess water. So we don't want to flood the beds out. But they're completely covered up. These tarps, they just laying up there. Probably get some rocks from over here to hold them down. But we moving right along. For the greenhouse, we just gonna go through and make sure that the outsides are covered real good with the rocks. These are some big heavy rocks, so that should do it. See, we're going to figure out something right here at this door, because this is where the wind blowing. So give us a couple of ticks. Okay, family, we're just pulling it out. and laying the rocks as tight up against it as possible. All the way around. And it's tight. Y'all comment down below some good spider killer. Because this diatomaceous earth work on everything except spiders. Alright, probably need one right here, but... Alright, let's keep around. What? Oh shit. Look, I left one of the windows up. Accidents happen. But this back wall is pretty secure. And it's a lot of big rocks back here. See, ain't nothing going on back here. But we just want to make sure the wind don't pick our shit up and tote it off. Yeah, we still got pepper plants. Yeah, in the front it's pretty decent. Because the wind is blowing from this side over there. Alright, so last but least, we got to get these solar panels down. So, y'all just stay tuned. Alright family, so this where the panels will be, behind the table that he built for them. And this is pushed up against it, you know, always, so the table don't move. So it'll be pretty good. Whatever sun they get. Whatever they don't, they don't. Until all this blow over. When all this blow over, then we'll put them back. Alright family, that's gonna be the end of us getting prepared for this weather that's coming. Everything seems secure. So we gonna move on out. Don't we need to close the windows up on the storage? Or are they closed? Alright, yep. It's gonna be the end of the video of us getting everything secured the best we could with what we got. Look at Queen down there, y'all. So, hope for the best. Hopefully you guys did the same. Doing the same. And we will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you would like. Peace and blessings.